Hi, did you just notice that one or several of your iPhone home screens were just simply missing? This odd behavior can sometimes occur after an update of the phone, where some home screens all of a sudden have just disappeared. Usually though, they are not actually gone, but instead just inactivated. To see if this is the case, press and hold anywhere on the screen where there's currently no apps resting. After the apps starts to wiggle, press the home screen indicator dots at the bottom of the screen. This brings up the home screen menu, where you can now both re-enable disabled home screens as well as hide home screens would you like to do so. If though your home screen is not found here, chances are unfortunately that it might have been deleted somehow. What you can do here, and if the home screens are completely messed up for some reason, is to navigate to Settings followed by General and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset followed by Reset Home Screen Layout. This will restore the home screen layout to how it was when the phone was new, and you will then have to repopulate the different home screens again yourself. This unfortunately does not bring back any deleted home screens, but to get rid of any oddities or malfunctions, or simply to clean up a mess of home screens, the reset home screen function can be quite handy. Hope you were able to get your missing home screen back. Please though write down in the comments below if you have any questions and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, bye!